Hi friends, welcome to today's session. In today's session, I will explain one of the most frequently asked interview question, which is how to capitalize the first letter in a word in SQL. Alright, let's quickly jump into the example. Let's say declare call value of varchar type, and I will set it as small. Okay, first thing which we have to do is to capitalize the first character. Okay, for that I will say left function uses two arguments, guys. First argument would be the input string, and from input string we only wanted to fetch the one character. All right, so it is fetching the one character. So what I'll do is, on top of it, I'll just use the upper function. What upper function will do? Upper function will basically convert converts all characters in the specified string to uppercase. So when I execute this query, see guys, it has capitalized this character. Now let's simply fetch the remaining characters. For that, I'll make use of substring. Substring uses three arguments, guys. First expression or the is the input string. Here in this case, the input string is value, comma. It will be the second argument will be the starting position of this input value. In our case, the starting position is m, which is in the second character. So starting position is second. Now the third argument is length, guys. So the length would be the whole input string length. So when I execute this query, see guys, we are getting the expected results. So now let me bring up a table. All right, so we are having customers table. If you observe all of these characters in a smaller case, especially the first characters within this customer name are in smaller case. So make use of this query, in order to update the first character to the uppercase. So let me call the customer name from customers, and then let me make use of the same formula. Let me explain you the same again. First we need to fetch the first character from this customer name. So in order to fetch the first character from the customer name, so the input value would be customer name, comma, is the first character. So if I execute, see guys, it is actually fetching the first character from each customer. So on top of it, I'm going to use upper function. So upper function will convert the characters into the uppercase. Now I make use of substring of this customer name, and I would like to start from second character onwards on this whole length of customer name, and I wanted to alias as modified name. All right, so when I execute this query, sorry guys, instead of customer name, I have used the customer's table name here. Instead of the column name, I have used the table name. So that's why SQL Server has thrown me the error. All right, you can see here, guys, we are getting the desired output. Now let's quickly move to the next step in our today's session, how to update the smaller case letters with our desired output. So simple, guys. Update this customers table, set customer name equals this whole query logic. So since I wanted to update it for all records, so I'm gonna omit or ignore the where clause here. So when I execute, see guys, 4 rows affected. When I execute this select query, see here, we are getting our desired output, which is capitalize the first letters in a word in SQL within a table. I hope you have understood the concept of capitalizing the first letters in a word in SQL. Thank you so much for watching this video.